Welcome to 100 East Huron, Unit 3501. This is a beautiful and sprawling 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo in a full amenity building. This unit has beautiful western views of the city and many updates throughout. You will love the layout with a split floor plan and a lovely den right off of the kitchen that has been recently updated. Many new appliances throughout the kitchen, bright white cabinets, and tons of natural light coming from the den with the circular floor plan. New carpeting in a couple of the rooms, lots of new lighting throughout the unit as well. This is a full amenity building with a freshly renovated fitness area, a lap pool, and 24-hour door service. Live right in the heart of River North on the corner of Michigan Avenue in Huron, in the heart of vibrant downtown Chicago. I'm Kat Berry with the Modern Living team at Compass. Reach out for a tour.